Let's get it straight, girl. You don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day. You got that bitch.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys can see me okay, because I'm in my kitchen and my kitchen is a little dark, so I had to cut on a lot of light. But today's video is going to be a meal prep video. I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking for the week. If you don't know, I am on my weight loss journey, so be looking out for a video on my current weight loss. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and click on your notification bell so when I upload a video, you will know when I upload. So today's recipe is a recipe that I got off Pinterest. For this recipe, you're only going to need a couple of things, and they're simple things that you can get at your local supermarket, Walmart, whatever the case may be. The first ingredient is rotel peppers, Jimmy Dean sausage. I got the regular. You can get the hot, Italian, maple. It's a lot of different kinds. I just got the regular kind. You're also going to need cream cheese, peppers. You're going to need peppers. And for my vegetable, we're going to make green beans. So if you would like to see what I'm about to make, keep on watching. So now we're going to take our sausage and we're going to put it in that pan and we're going to brown it. Basically, I'm going to brown the sausage. Of course, we don't want to eat it pink, so I'm going to brown it. So here I've already cut my bell peppers and cleaned the seeds out of them really good. And I'm just going to cook them by themselves for 25 minutes. I'm just going to cook them in a pan like this, and I'm going to spray the pan with olive oil. So we're going to spray the pan. Just get it real coated. And we're going to bake these for 25 minutes. So our sausage is done. Oops, making a mess. Now I'm going to pour in the rotel dip, tomatoes, and I'm not going to drain the liquid. So we're just going to pour this in there. Like that. I'm going to do both cans so we can have a lot of tomatoes. Now I'm just going to add the cream cheese. I cut the cream cheese in squares just so it can melt better, and I did use both of the cubes in the container. So I'm just going to just dump it in there. Like that, and we're just going to let this simmer until the cheese is melted. So I'm just going to cover it and let the cheese melt. Just kind of let it simmer, and of course you want to occasionally stir it so it won't stick. It shouldn't stick because there's a lot of water and juice in here, but you want to occasionally stir it in between it, just kind of just simmering, and it's looking really good. So we're just going to let that continue to cook. Okay guys, so pretty much it's ready to be cooked with the peppers. But the peppers have about 15 more minutes before I can put the stuffing in them. Now, this kind of reminds me of like the rotel dip sauce like you have at parties and stuff like that. This is kind of what it is. It's just that I use sausage and cream cheese instead of ground beef and Velveeta cheese. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of put this on really low, and then we'll get the peppers out and we'll stuff the peppers. So we're about to take our peppers out the oven. They're kind of crispy, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the filling in there, and we're going to stick them in the oven for about 5 to 10 more minutes. So now we're gonna cook our green beans. We have our peppers in the oven, and now I'm gonna cook our green beans. I'm just gonna do 1 can. These are really quick to cook, so I just usually just do 1 can. And I'll probably do like another can tomorrow. A little bit of butter in there, just a little bit of butter. Ooh, a lot of butter. And we're gonna let that melt. And we're just gonna put a little pepper, black pepper. And we're gonna let these cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna be done with our green beans. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was real easy to make those. They taste amazing. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section, and also subscribe if you like videos like this as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.